How to use virtual background on Zoom. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, launch your Zoom application from your PC. And here you will see a gear icon. Click onto it. Then on your left-hand menu, you will see background and effects. Click onto that option. Just like so, once done, it will open up your camera. You will be able to see yourself in this screen. From here, you can choose any images that Zoom has to offer. And once you choose your background, you will appear at the center, and this will be your virtual background. If you don't like these images, you can also click on this plus icon and add your own images or video from your file explorer. And just like so, this is how you can add a virtual background in Zoom. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.